Yo guys, this is Toxic Raddy here, and I'm living up the dream of an American holiday in my beautiful villa, which is getting upgraded tomorrow. But yes, I will show you that because I'm doing 5 vlogs. Mine that I have just been in the pool. But yeah, I'm going to be going on all the theme parks, doing all the stuff, you know. And going to be sleeping here, fortnight, holiday, Orlando, Florida. Spending my dollars in the malls. And checking out all the awesome restaurants. Gonna do one tonight. I might do a quick silent showing of it, but yeah. Sorry I'm talking like this, I'm just kinda like hyper. And I still got my swimmers on. Look at it, look at the weather, it's like red hot here. It's probably like freezing cold in England, so sorry. Yeah, this is our villa, and right there, let's go show you my room. Go show you my room. Go see my room. This is my room. The TV. Toxic Raddy signing out.